Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how to securely use Shopify API credentials in a Node.js app. Whether you are building a custom app or integrating third-party services, this guide will help you to get started. So open your store and go to the settings and then click on apps and sale channels. Develop apps. Create a new app and name it anything. And once app is created, click on configuration. Here you can define the API configuration. We have admin API integration or storefront API integration. So mostly we use the admin API integration. So click on configure and then check the scope which you would like to have. Let's say I would like to access the products. So I will type product, read and write permission, save that. And if you like to access the theme files, you can type theme and read and write access of the theme, save that. And then click on the API credentials. From here you can find the API key and secret key, and we need access token. To get the access token, you need to install this app. So click on install app. And from here you can get the token. Make sure you have, once you reveal the token, save it somewhere because you will not be able to get that again without installing the app again. So I need a URL of the store, I need access token and API key. So let's go to the VS Code and open a folder. Let's create a new folder on the desktop. Name it anything. I will say Node.js. We'll open this. And here I will open the terminal. In the terminal I will type npm init. And then I can install the Node modules. For that I will type npm install.env package and Shopify API-node package. These packages are installed. The first thing, we will create a new file and name it .env. And then copy this code over here. We don't need, okay. Now we can copy the Shopify API key from here, copy that and replace that over here. Next thing, we need token and replace the token. And sometime you need API secret key, copy that as well. And copy the URL of the store and paste that over here. Shopify access token, and I think these are both. We need to copy this and paste that over here. Okay, save that into the file. Now how we can access this variable in our app? Close this and create a new file, app.js. And here you can copy and paste this code. This is the .env.config module of .env and the Shopify Node API module. It will create the instance of this Shopify. Here we have the Shopify store URL, API key and access token, which is coming from this file. So make sure they have the same variable. Let's copy this. I'll open both file here. Copy access token. Yes, these are same. API key and store URL. They are same. So let's close that and save that. Now we have written a function fetch product, and it will fetch the Shopify products and console log them over here. So let's run this file, Node app.js. As you can see, it fetched all the products from the Shopify store. So our credentials are working. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated Shopify API with Node.js App using .env for secure credentials management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorials. If you need help in your Shopify projects, please contact me through Fiverr or Upwork. I will add the links in the description. Thank you for watching.